guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be jumping in and talking about SoFi stock. Now, as of today, the stock has fallen about 10%. So we're going to be looking at what is going on, what is causing the sell-off, and answering this main question of should you buy SoFi? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, honestly, let me know down in the comments. So let's dive into it. All right. So for those of you that don't know what SoFi is pretty much just a fintech company. It's an online banking system that allows people to get different loans. They offer a debit and credit card. You guys can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies, stocks. It virtually competes with every single online or every single bank in general. But the reason why SoFi is so incredibly popular is because of the loans. That's where they make a bunch of their money, is off loans, loan refinance, student loans, auto loans, stuff like that. Now, you may have guessed it, with the rise of the rates that we've seen over the past couple of years, SoFi stock has gotten actually some sell-off. Now, this is completely expected, especially looking at the banking sector. I think we all know we've seen several banks just become very, very, very volatile. The banking sector in general is just a risky sector to invest in. We've seen several banks actually close their doors or have to get bailed out, and actually the FDIC had to come in and start paying out some of their insurance policies. So crazy times. Now, as of right now, SoFi stock sold off about 10%. So in a single day. So obviously something's going on inside the company. Now, they released an earnings report. Now, they actually beat earning expectations, which is always a good sign, right? They beat their revenue and they beat a whole bunch of great things, right? So they're looking strong, looking great, but they actually got sell-off. Now, why? Now, this is pretty much because the CEO came out and said this. On Q4 of last year, we yielded a lower monetization rate due to the higher interest. Pretty much what that means is they're making less money off their loans due to the higher interest, especially with everything going on right now with these high rates, these conflicts, the banking sector just being very volatile. So answering this question of should you buy SoFi, that's why everybody clicked on this video. So here's my strategy. I think SoFi carries a ton of potential. Year to date, it's up a whopping 25%. So yeah, we've gotten some sell-off, but there's still a decent amount of buying pressure in SoFi. Not to mention the average analyst price target is a hair over $7. So you're still looking at a pretty positive return on your money, even if those analysts are correct. Now, obviously, this thing is a growth stock. So this thing is going to squeeze up and down, consolidate, go flat, and it's just unpredictable. So the best strategy that I would highly recommend is to dollar cost average, so investing weekly into the stock, and keep this thing under 3% of your portfolio. What that means is for every $100 you have invested into other stocks, assets, bonds, whatever you may invest in, keep it under $3 for every 100 you have invested. This is a great way to reduce your risk, to reduce volatility, and dollar cost averaging on top of that is a great way to reduce all that as well, because as the stock sells off, you're just averaging down that price, so when it recovers, you make a lot more money. It's a great way to invest into these growth stocks. Now, to say, hey, is this thing gonna hit $10? I'm not a fortune reader, I cannot tell you that, but I just know that this one here definitely carries some long-term potential due to these, fintech companies popping up. I think SoFi is going to be one of the leaders of that sector coming forward. But overall, guys, this is just my opinion, so make sure you guys do your own research before you invest. But overall, looking at the fundamentals, you can't argue with the growth, the revenue increasing every single quarter. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a fun, exciting time. We'll see you guys later. Take care, guys.